Hello, my name is Meg. Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to show you how I lost 50 pounds in 5 months, and I had to do it in a hurry due to health reasons. This is where I started, 200 pounds, and this is how low I got within that time frame. I always struggled with my weight. I was either up or down majority of my life, so I was just sick of it. I was in a big need of change and a new environment, and I'm going to show you how it all started.
I'm pretty much over me being the size that I am, so I just took it upon myself to do something different and change my own life. Like, I feel like I'm always changing somebody else's life and not getting it reciprocated. And I just had to look at myself and see how I been slacking on myself, and how have I been neglecting myself. So I'm tired of loving people more than myself, and it's just time for a whole new thing in my life, and I'm pretty much over it all. So this is what I plan on doing, and you guys can come along with me. I'm gonna weigh myself and I'll show you where I'm at and where I started.
Okay guys, I'm letting you know what's my weight today. I'm going to tap it. Excuse me. Get on. Let's see. 199.0. So after that, guys, I pretty much made it up in my mind that I was going to relocate to a whole nother state and start my weight loss journey. So I started off with boxing because it never made me feel like I was actually working out, and I really do enjoy boxing. And while I was working on my weight loss, I was packing. I was getting rid of everything. I was throwing away everything. I was selling my car. I was getting out of there. I'm originally from St. Louis, so I was like, it's time to go. So I said, I'm going to do everything in my power. And I packed up and flew out. Okay, guys, here I am. I have landed. I'm in a whole nother state now. I relocated and I'm in the gym. I'm looking sad, but hey, I was still continuing my journey. As you can see here, I still had weight on myself. I'm going to show you my stomach. It was very large, very wide, and I had to get back to it since I relocated. And while I was doing this and getting ready for the gym, I noticed that I also had a few other health issues. Like when I would go to sleep, I would wake up with my body like feeling numb. So I tried to go to the urgent care, but I couldn't get any assistance, and because I didn't have any insurance. So I had to change up my eating habits since I couldn't get any assistance in that area. So I stripped myself from all dairy products, all meats. I only ate vegetables and fruits and drank water. For breakfast, I would have oatmeal. For the afternoon, I would have a soup. And for dinner, I would have like a vegan burger. And here is my next weigh-in, which I was so happy. I had gotten all the way down to 181, and I was starting to see results. So I just stayed consistent in the gym. I made sure wherever I worked, I was very active on that job, and I just kept pushing, and I kept being consistent. In this picture, you can see my face is starting to slim down and everything. I was happy, but I didn't feel like I was all the way there. So right here is where face getting slim, arm getting slim, body getting slim. I felt like I was getting back to myself, so I was really excited, as you can tell in this video. And here is the new weigh-in, 152. And just through hard work and dedication and knowing that I had to do it due to that little health scare, it was all worth it. So yes, guys, here I am, slim and trim. I'm so excited. I had gotten down to my goal weight. And once again, this is my before and after. And please subscribe and join my journey. Bye.